Hey guys, welcome back to Aviv International Demos with Jessica. Today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look for you. So I'm going to go through with the small side of the dual-ended brush and go through with some gypsum and just place it on top to lock in this eyeshadow primer. We're going to go through with the bigger end of the dual-ended brush, and we're going to go through with a little bit of the shade Moonstone, and we're going to put this on the crease and in the outer corner as a transition color so we can start adding in a couple layers. Alright, now that I've got that right in that crease, right where I want it, I'm going to go through with a very big fluffy brush and we're going to blend this out. Now that I have that all blended out on this side, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Okay, now that I have that done and it's in the creases where I want it and it's all blended out, we're going to go through with another fluffy ended brush and we're going to use the shade Sienna, and we're going to use this in the outer corner just to place it so we can blend it out without it being too harsh in other areas. Okay, now that I have the harsher color right there, we're going to go through with our fluffy brush again and we're going to blend this out. I still have my hair bow on my wrist, so let's just get rid of that. Whoops. Now that I have that done, we're going to go through with the shade Cinnabar and Obsidian on our Blink palette. We're going to use this more pointed brush right here, and we're going to add it into these outer corners, and this is just going to give it a little bit more depth. Okay, now that I have it placed exactly where I want it, we're going to go through with our fluffy brush again and we're going to blend this out. We're going to go through with our dual-ended brush. We're going to use the shade Gypsum. We're going to use the shade Gypsum for our transition shade, for our lighter shade. So we're going to go back on top. We're going to go up here underneath the eyebrow and right here on the lid and in the corners. have our lighter shade right there, we're gonna go through with a little bit of the Hyaline. I guess is how you pronounce it. I don't really know how to pronounce it. I'll show you. We're gonna go through with this one right here, and we're gonna put it in the middle of the lid just as another transition from this lighter shade to darker. I'm gonna go through with our fluffy brush one more time just to finish blending everything out. Okay, now that we have our eyeshadow look done, I'm gonna go through with a little bit of eyeliner and mascara and some lips. So on the next slide, I will be showing you how to add a little bit of sparkle once you have all that done. Alrighty, so now that I have got this all done, I am gonna add just a little bit of pop in these inner corners right here just to kind of bring the whole look together. So I'm gonna go through with a little bit of the highlighter shade Starry Night, and I'm gonna take a Q-tip and I'm gonna wet it, and I'm gonna put it right here on these inner corners. And that's the difference. You see that? That's with a little bit of sparkle, that's without a little bit of sparkle. Crazy. Okay, well, that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, now that this look is not through, we're gonna go through with a little bit of water shade again. Go through with a little bit of water shade again, right on top of them, right underneath them brows. Gotta laugh at yourself sometimes.